Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting a new series which is called the Learning Series, where I am going to teach you different type of arts. Today I am showing you the basics. The basics are really important to do a creative work. Whenever you go or join any classes, or whenever you go for the fine arts college also, the first thing you do is the basics. In all the fields, it is said that you should do very strong in your base. As I personally, I work on art daily or whenever I am free. That is the thing. Like any of the field, everyone practice their all basics. So why not I tell you my basic, what I do. Here I have taken a simple book and a sketch pen. You can take any of them. I normally do my sketches on my newspapers, like a waste paper. But you can take down all the sketches which I am showing you. You can do it continuously, and I am going to show you do's and don'ts also. Let's start it. First, take the single line and just do line. Just don't move your hand. Just try to do the linings. Do as parallel to it. The second one, we are going to take two lines and we are going to do continuous line. These are all vertical lines. Do as parallel as you can. Do not move your hand when you are drawing a line. Try to be more precise with your lines. Now we are going to take 5 lines, approximately 5 to 6 lines. We are not going to lift up our hands, we are just continuing and drawing the same lines. We are using all the lines as a guideline, so you can get a proper line. Now this half page is remaining, we are going to draw a full line. Do as parallel to the lines. Now we are going to take the horizontal line. Do not draw the line over the printed lines. Draw inside the 2 printed lines, so you get the balance of it, and also the guideline. Draw the full paper. Then we are going to draw till the half paper. Then the fourth of the paper. Now we are starting the diagonal lines. Take 4 or 5 lines and start with the smaller line. This also you should keep parallel to each other. Now we are going to go vice versa. Now we are going to take 4 lines. This is always whenever you start the sketching, it is better you take a lining paper or lining book or a rough book, so you know what is the size of the sketch. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now we are going to start the curve lines. Half C, half circle, or little bit curve. Anything you can call it, but keep it parallel to each other. Now we are going to do vice versa. Next, upwards. One line will be smaller, second. Now same way, opposite. Now try to do small circles on one uniform line. let me tell you this, like all one design you should complete it on one page. It is not a line, it is a page. This is a just design I'm showing you in one line, but whenever you practice it, you should complete one page of that single sketch. Next will be the zigzag on one single row. Don't lift up your hands, it is a continuity, not lifting and just drawing it. Now we are going to do opposite, same way. Don't lift your hands. If you want to shift, wait, shift, don't lift it. You should continue it as it completes. Next is the little more bigger size of it. So this is the 4 or 5 lines we are taking, and this is the zigzag lines. Same way, opposite lines. Weave and fill it. Now we are going to do the circles, continuity circles from outside to inside without lifting your hands. From inside to outside without lifting your hands. They look same, but your practice is different. To draw a square. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 4. Next we are going to do the corners. Approximately we are going to take some like 4 to 5 lines, and we are going to start. Here I have taken 4 lines. Now we are going to go from big to small. Next we are going to take zigzag lines, opposite, vertical zigzag lines. Let me just explain you what are the do's and don'ts. Means whatever you are doing it's right or wrong. Let's start from the vertical lines. This is the way I have shown you. And if you are doing this way, this way, this way, this way, these all are don'ts. This is not right. Second thing, if I am showing you the horizontal lines, I have shown you like this. If you are doing it like this, if you are doing it like this, or if you are doing it, these are all don'ts. These are not right. Third thing, I showed you circles. If you are doing this, then it's totally wrong. And if you're doing this, then it's wrong. Then it's wrong. These all sides are don'ts. Please recheck your designs whenever you do it. Hope it is not this way. It is this way, clear, plain and absolutely clear. Next I showed you this. And if you do like this, then this is a don't, and if you do like this is a don't. Anyhow, similar way, it's for everyone, it's the same thing. Like these, all the design you can see, it is not lifted up your hands or nothing, it is just a plain line. Okay, I hope you liked my video and you understood what I'm explaining you. And if you have any queries, then please comment me below. I will love to explain you if it is right or wrong. Please do like, share and subscribe.